Top 10 discoveries made while searching for something completely different. History is full of fascinating discoveries made by accident while researchers were pursuing something entirely unrelated. These happy accidents led to groundbreaking inventions and surprising scientific revelations. Here are 10 of the most interesting discoveries made while people were searching for something else. 1. Penicillin. Scottish scientist Alexander Fleming was researching bacteria in 1928 when he discovered that a mold contaminating one of his petri dishes had killed the surrounding bacteria. This mold, later identified as Penicillium notatum, led to the development of penicillin, the first antibiotic, revolutionizing medicine and saving countless lives. 2. X-rays. In 1895, Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen was experimenting with cathode rays when he noticed that a nearby fluorescent screen began to glow, even though it was covered. He discovered that these X-rays could pass through human tissue and create images of bones, launching the field of radiology and earning him the first Nobel Prize in physics. 3. Microwave oven. Engineer Percy Spencer was testing a radar-related vacuum tube in the 1940s when he noticed that the chocolate bar in his pocket had melted. Intrigued, he placed popcorn kernels near the device, which began to pop. His curiosity led to the invention of the microwave oven, a staple in modern kitchens. 4. Velcro. Swiss engineer Georges de Mestral was on a hunting trip in 1941 when he noticed how burrs clung to his clothes and his dog's fur. Curious about the mechanism, he studied the burrs under a microscope and observed their tiny hooks. This inspired him to invent Velcro, a practical fastening device that mimics nature's grip. 5. Vulcanized rubber. In 1839, Charles Goodyear accidentally dropped a mixture of rubber, sulfur, and lead onto a hot stove. Instead of melting, the mixture hardened into a more durable form of rubber, which became known as vulcanized rubber. This discovery transformed industries like transportation and footwear. 6. Artificial sweetener. While working on coal tar derivatives in 1879, chemist Konstantin Fahlberg accidentally tasted a compound on his hand and found it to be remarkably sweet. His unexpected find led to the development of saccharin, the first artificial sweetener, which became widely used as a sugar substitute. 7. Teflon. In 1938, chemist Roy Plunkett was researching refrigerant gases when he discovered a waxy, white substance with unique non-stick properties. This substance, polytetrafluoroethylene, PTFE, became known as Teflon and is now used in a variety of applications, from cookware to industrial machinery. 8. Anesthesia. In the early 19th century, chemists experimenting with gases like nitrous oxide and ether noticed that these substances caused temporary insensitivity to pain. What started as a curiosity quickly became the foundation of modern anesthesia, transforming medicine by making surgery far less painful and more humane. 9. Insulin. In 1921, Canadian researchers Frederick Banting and Charles Best were studying the pancreas, hoping to understand its role in diabetes. During their research, they discovered insulin, a hormone that regulates blood sugar. Their finding made diabetes manageable and remains one of the most significant medical breakthroughs. 10. The Dead Sea Scrolls. In 1947, a Bedouin shepherd looking for a lost goat stumbled upon a series of ancient clay jars in a cave near the Dead Sea. Inside was scrolls containing some of the oldest known copies of the Hebrew Bible, offering invaluable insights into early religious texts and historical traditions. These remarkable discoveries highlight the serendipity that often accompanies scientific and historical exploration. They remind us that curiosity and an open mind can sometimes lead to the most unexpected and groundbreaking results.